Welcome to another Canva Pro video, and this one is very special. This one is very special because I'm not only going to show you how to create a business Facebook page cover, but I'm also going to show you how to place it on your page using the Meta Business Suite. Especially if you are a fan of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all that good stuff, I'm going to show you how to set up your Meta Business Suite. The Meta Business Suite allows you to manage your Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp all using one app, the Meta Business Suite. If you have already been using Facebook for your business, you'll probably have some of the steps set up already, like adding your payment method and all that. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to set up the whole Meta Business Suite for your business. I'm going to show you how to schedule content. I'm also going to show you how to set up your ads, how to promote your page, how to boost your posts, all that nice stuff. So if you're excited as I am, let's jump right in. But before we jump in, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. That way you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Alright, let's jump right in. Alright, so let's start our Facebook cover by duplicating this one right here. Just click on the duplicate button, and then we have a copy right here. So simply delete the background by selecting the background, use backspace, or use the delete button right here. Also delete this one by using backspace, and then let's replace the background. So to replace the background, you can simply go to photos and search for a background, but in most cases, if the company might give you the photos, their own photos. So go to uploads, look for the photos on your folder on your computer. So the first thing we are going to do is replace the background by selecting this, drag and drop, and placing it in the background just like that. Next, let's change the name of this business, put our own. Alright, so next we want to align this text to the left, and it's done. Next, let's replace the number. So to replace the number, I'm going to go to the website and get the data from there, get the phone number from there. Alright, so if we scroll down right there, we have the phone number. Just click and drag to select the phone number and use Ctrl+C to copy. Switch back to Canva and double click in this text to use Ctrl+V, paste your phone number. That is done. Next, we need to replace the Facebook handle. So go back to the website and look for the social media handle. It's right down here. So you can see it down there. You can even right click and go to copy link address. Go back to Canva, double click this text and use Ctrl+V to paste. So the link is long, we need to shorten this a bit. First, we need to zoom in. So to zoom in, I'll get some space by clicking this button right here to close that, and then use the zoom button down here to zoom in, and also use this button. Alright, so we are going to first remove this other text here, all this facebook.com text. We just leave the username. So let's select from here backspace. It seems like our username is too long, but that should be the first thing we do when we get to Meta Facebook. Because I'm going to show you how to place this Facebook page cover. I'm going to show you how to place this cover on this Facebook page. And by the way, to place the cover, you have to be one of the either admins or someone, or maybe an editor. You need to have a role in the page management. Anyway, so I want to cover this thing by selecting the white background and use the control to scale it like this. Okay, done. Next, the phone number, we already have it, so I'm going to delete this. Actually, I'm not going to delete it, but I'm going to replace this icon with the website icon so that we can put our website link right here. So I will start by going to Elements and search for website. Okay, let's use this one here. Just click, drag and drop, and use these controls handles to scale down to the size of these other icons. Right, great. Let's delete this one by using backspace or using this delete button right here, and then drag and drop our. Now it seems you might want to cover the background. Let's look for an alternative here, probably. Yeah, this one might work because it already has a background in it. Okay, so let's use this one. Just drag and drop. Where is the white? Where is the white? There was white, now it's transparent. What about this? Okay, well, this one might work. So let's reduce it to this size. Scale it down and place it right here. Let's first delete this one. Use backspace and then let's place this one right here. So we are going to zoom in. Let's get some space here and zoom in, and then let's do some editing here, just like that, and then let's make this one white. You can make it any color you want. Great, I think that's nice. Let's scale this again, hide it behind that, right click, go to send back. Right, next let's place our website. Just select this text and duplicate it using Ctrl D, and then let's delete this phone number. Drag and drop your text and double click to edit, or drag and select and type demo. Okay, we need to align this text to the left, this line. So click away and click back on the text and go to the alignment tool. Click it once, and let's extend this text to the edge right here, like that. And also let's reduce this bar by using this control like this. Great. So lastly, let's change the email to click here and drag to select and write. Perfect. So you might want to change the color of this icon here. Let's go to this one. Well, actually, let's first add our logo, the no classic logo. So let's start by zooming out by using this zoom out button right here. Okay, so select back on this icon and go to this, go to uploads and bring in the logo right here. Drag and drop to bring in the logo. And if whenever you're trying to bring it in, it's trying to replace this other photo, you can lock the photo and then you place it without any issues. Alright, so before we use this one, I think we should use this one with white right here. Let's use this one with white. So we might want to use this background, and the reason for that is because these shapes, if you zoom in a bit, these shapes have some round corner, and this one doesn't. Our logo doesn't. So how about we just delete this text and then we expand this shape, and instead of the text just place the logo right here. But we have to start by scaling it down or by cropping it using these controls like this, and then scale it down a bit and place it right here. I think our cover is almost done. Lastly, we are going to change this one, the display buttons right here, because we need to place our own services, right? So we start with welding. Sorry, we start with doors. We go to Windows, we go to Get, select this one, and we add balcons, and lastly but not least, belt. And this one, you can even delete this if you want. So let's write this as what we do, or we can say we do metallic doors, windows, gates, balcons, beds. Okay, and then we can delete this one. Select it and use the and then crop this. We have some space for this text, and extend it right here so that it's not cut off when we go back to Facebook. Excellent. So let's download this and we see how it fits on our Facebook page. Oh, but before we finish, let's change this color. Almost forgot. So the reason I first uploaded the photo is because Canva has an automatic color picker. Whenever you upload a photo like this, if you go to something like this that needs changing color and you click on the color icon, if you scroll down, you'll find photo colors right here. So this is the Canva's automatic color picker from all the photos uploaded. So that's why I wanted to change this icon here, icon's color, from this green to something in the logo. Start with that and see. Change this one to that. Switch this switch the red with white and the white with red. I think we can go with that. So download this one. By the way, you can also, if you created like a Facebook post, you can publish it directly from here. Facebook page, you connect the Facebook page and you publish directly from Canva to Facebook, to Instagram, to Twitter, and many others down here, like Pinterest, LinkedIn page. So for us, you just want to download a PNG, or you can download a JPEG, PDF, whatever you want. And then since we have many pages or many designs in this project or in this file, so we are going to select this drop down and look for our page number, which is page number 1. So we first click to deselect all the pages and click on page 1 to select it. Click done and click download. And let's go to Facebook, Meta, right? Excellent. So that's great work. That's how you can create a Facebook page cover. And if you like what you've seen so far, make sure to hit the like button. Also share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's meet in the next video where I show you how to place this cover in the Facebook page. Alright, thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope it helps you get started creating graphics, creating Facebook posts, creating social media content for your Facebook business. And Canva is a very powerful tool. It helps you schedule content. Once you connect to your Facebook page, you can be able to schedule content. You can also be able to post direct right from Canva to your Facebook page or to your LinkedIn page. And as you have seen, you can also connect Pinterest, Twitter, all that good stuff. So if you want to learn more about Canva, you can check out my website, mugabeimran.com. And also you can check out the links in the video description below to sign up free, to get started with Canva for free. There are also more videos in the video description and that you can also check out. If you like the video, be sure to hit the like button and share the video with your friends. I hope to see you in the next one.